Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you an issue that I was able to fix. So this is my Nest thermostat. This thing basically was showing a low battery indicator on the screen right here. And also I kept on losing Wi-Fi connection like several times throughout the day sporadically. And then it also has where when you take off the actual thermostat off of here, it'll tell you it's going to shut down to preserve the battery life. So to fix this, I'll show you really quick. You just take it off. And basically right over here at the very top, let me turn the light on over here. At the very top is a micro USB port for you to charge it. So this is what it looks like right here. Like usually right now it'd say it's about to shut down, but now I have the battery charged nice and full. I charge it for about 5 hours, and the little light right here will also blink when you're charging it. So I actually have a micro USB plug right over here. So this is the micro USB. And you're just gonna stick it right here in the back. So right there, just like so. So I just have it charged up right over here, and basically just remember to do this most likely when it's, I don't know if it's winter time. Make sure you don't do it when you really need the heat, or if it's in the summertime and you really need the AC, make sure you're not doing it during peak hours. So I like to do this at nighttime, but once you take that thermostat hub off, it basically will shut off the unit. So try to do it when you don't really need your AC or heat. So after you charge it and you're all done, you're just going to take it back off and then just stick it back on right over here. Stick it on there and just push it on there like this, and it'll automatically come back on. So usually when I go through the settings right here, try to get the focus. When I go in settings, it would usually tell me over here that it has low battery, but I don't see it anywhere at all. So it fixed the problem. But hope this helps you out. If you have any questions for me, definitely comment down in the comment section below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.